Why does your scanner show the P2305 engine code? What does it mean? P2305 is a diagnostic trouble code for Ignition Coil B secondary circuit. This engine code indicates that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected an issue with the voltage in the secondary side of the ignition coil responsible for cylinder B. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Ignition coil failure, wiring and connections, spark plug issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Jeep and Dodge models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.